Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT's DALL image generation model to restore old vintage photos. So the first step is to open ChatGPT, go to chatgpt.com. Now OpenAI's DALL is already integrated into the ChatGPT model. So all we have to do is click on this plus button in the bar, click on create image, and you can see there's a new option here to edit an existing image. So I have a few photos here. These are all taken on black and white film, so they originally had no color. I'm going to start by selecting the picture of my dogs, and then I'm going to start writing the prompt. So I want to add color to the image. And then I'm going to describe their color. Their colors are brown, gold, and black. That looks good. I'll hit enter and wait for the model to generate a finished product. Now this might take anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes, but as long as we're patient, I'm sure we can get a good result. So we can see that there's even a thumbnail now, and there's our finished product. Overall, pretty good, although I want to make a few edits. So the brown dog, the golden dog, and the black dog are pretty accurate. Honestly, it looks really lifelike and exactly how they look like in real life. But there seems to be a problem with the one on the bottom left. It has a bit of a brown hue, and we'll see if we can fine-tune that image. So we'll give it another prompt. Take that image and change the color of the dog on the bottom left. Make it black like the other, like the one beside it. Gonna hit enter. Sometimes when ChatGPT is unsure of which response you would prefer, it also shows you options side by side. And from that one, you can select which one you prefer more. It's going to remember those preferences you've made for, and it's going to remember those preferences you've made for future prompts. So we'll give it another minute or two to edit the photo a little more, and there we go. So that's pretty lifelike and pretty accurate, but I noticed there is a sort of black blob in the background. So I'll write up another prompt addressing this black blob. Take that image and remove the black spot in the background on the concrete. Let's say on the concrete. Sometimes it also helps when you describe the material of whatever you want to edit in the background. Looks good. Hit enter and give it another minute or two. There we go. And that looks pretty much perfect. So now I can download this image for future use. So that's how to restore old black and white photos using ChatGPT's DALL-E model.